Refilling cooling water. 1. Cooling water indicator. The distilled water level window is located on the left side of the system main body. A bowl floating in the indicator tube indicates the cooling water level. When the bowl floats on approximately half to third level of the indicator tube, the operator should refill the system's distilled water. Second, how to refill cooling water. 1. Ready the funnel, tube provided, and fresh distilled water for use. Second, take off the water level window by unscrewing the upper bolt and the lower bolt with hands. Third, pull out the upper connector of the indicator tube by pushing the valve of the upper inlet. 4. Pull out the lower connector of the indicator tube by pushing the valve of the lower inlet. At this time, because the distilled water inside the indicator tube flows out, put a piece of a cloth or tissue under the lower connector. 5. Insert the extra tube provided with the funnel into the upper inlet and then insert the connector of the funnel into the lower inlet. 6. Hold up the funnel and pour the distilled water into the funnel. At this time, while the distilled water flows into the tank, the air inside the tank comes out through the upper tube. If the distilled water doesn't flow smoothly into the tank, hold up the funnel higher. 7. Once the cooling water tank is filled with distilled water to the top, pull out the funnel and the tube from the inlets of the tank. 8. Connect the indicator tube to the tank by pushing the connector of the tube into the inlets of the tank. Then the indicator tube is filled up with distilled water to the water level of the tank together with the bowl. It is proper that the water with the bowl is filled up with the proper water level. Nine. Attach the water level window by screwing the two bolts.